Welcome to the 359, where we talk about the top tech news of the day and all the other crap we want to throw in. I'm Joni Salzman, and with me is Sam Rhodes.
Hello.
And in a first for the 359, we have a special guest dialing in to discuss our top news for today, T-Mobile. T-Mobile is getting rid of data plans. The carrier said today that it will offer just one unlimited data plan instead of the different data levels for different prices. Joining us to explain more is Maggie Reardon, one of CNET's most senior reporters who has been covering mobile news for years. Hi, Maggie.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Great to have you. So tell me, Maggie, what does this change mean for T-Mobile customers?
Well, now it means that everybody, there's going to be only one plan that they offer postpaid customers, and it'll be unlimited. And to get in as just, one person, it'll be $70 a month, which, is pretty good for unlimited. Currently they charge $95 a month for their unlimited plan, but it also means that, like, the cheaper plan, the 2 gig plan is going away. That one was, I think, $50 a month. So you're going to have to pay $20 more, even if you don't use that much data, if you want to be on T-Mobile's postpaid plan. Now, what they say is if you're a light data user, you can go to a prepaid plan and get into that at, about $30 a month. But still, they say they're making things less complicated, but, I'm not sure how really uncomplicated things are. You still have to, sit down with your calculator and figure out which plan is going to be best for you.
Right. It sounds like some people are going to be saving some money, people that were already heavy users, people that already had the unlimited plan, but people that were trying to save money with a lower plan might end up paying more. Is that right?
Yeah. And, all of this is being enabled because of what T-Mobile says was their success with their Binge On program,
right,
which was basically you could get free, you could watch some videos because they were basically compressing all the video. So now what they're going to do is they're going to do that sort of across the board, and every video that you want to watch is going to be free. Well, anything you want to access. Mm-hmm. So they say it's free. It's not really free because you're still paying $70 a month, but mm-hmm. there's no limit, essentially. So, it's interesting. I do think this is sort of a new day for wireless, because what we're seeing here is the carriers are trying to make their network more efficient so that they can give more data away, I guess. So people don't have to worry about, am I going to go over my data cap? Mm-hmm. And usually video has been a big suck for that. So now, so we'll see if others are able to follow. Already Sprint is saying that they're going to do the same thing, and they're also going to be compressing data. So I don't know. Maybe we'll see Verizon and T-Mobile eventually bring unlimited back.
Yeah. So it sounds like, how does this compare to what Verizon and AT&T are doing? Those are the two big dogs that T-Mobile's going up against.
Yeah. Well, currently you can't get an unlimited plan if you're a new customer to AT&T and Verizon. They got rid of those plans years ago. There are a few stragglers who have kept on to their grandfathered plans. But not many of those folks still remain. So, so right now, the two big dogs still have these plans. Now, they've come out with different pricing. They're giving customers more data, but it's also costing you more. They've bumped up the pricing on their plans. And they've also done something very T-Mobile-like as well, where if you go over your plan, you now don't necessarily get hit with a big fee or a penalty. You can just keep using your data, but your service is slowed a little bit. Now, for that privilege, Verizon is charging you $5 a month to do it. And as John Ledger, the T-Mobile CEO, called it, he basically said it was like a mafia shakedown.
Yikes!
Yeah. But he's a pretty colorful guy.
He is a colorful character.
He uses a lot of colorful language like that. Yeah.
Thank you, Maggie. Thank you very much.
Speaking of yikes, McDonald's had a fitness tracker for children, and it failed miserably. It gave them skin irritation, and now no one wants them.
Yeah, McDonald's was trying to, its latest attempt to get kids moving after they binge on fries and burgers they began offering a Step It activity band. It's basically a fitness tracker for kids, but they had to, within days, remove the toy from Happy Meals because of reports of skin irritation.
Yeah, receiving limited reports, but still, I mean, nobody wants skin irritation when they're trying to have their burgers and fries.
Yeah, and you don't want to mess around with anything that is causing kids harm.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially if the point is to get them to not be fat.
Yeah, that's the point.
For all of our coverage, check us out on CNET. Big thanks to our guest, Maggie Reardon. I'm Joni Salzman.
I'm Samantha Rhodes.
Thanks for